Before purchasing, you must select the appropriate model based on the weight specifications of the door. Hinges are classified into two types. 1. Hydraulic concealed hinge. It can close automatically. Adjustable closing speed. The hinge contains an adjustment valve, adjusting door closing speed. 2. Load-bearing hinge. 3. No for hex key. Adjust the hex screws on the hinge. 4. Demonstrate the 3D adjustment function of the hinge. Loosen screw 1 on the side hinge of the door frame. It can move up and down. Adjustment range, plus or minus 2.5 centimeters. Rotate screw to clockwise. Adjustable left and right to increase the gap between hinges. Rotate clockwise to reduce the gap between the coaches. Adjustment range, plus or minus 2.5 centimeters. 5. Precautions. The hydraulic hinge is fitted with a retaining clip. Do not unplug during installation. Do not unplug until installation is complete. Do not close the door before removing the retaining card. Otherwise, the door and hydraulic hinges will be damaged. Check if the product accessories are complete. Prepare the necessary installation tools, grooving of door leaf and door frame. The door slots must be cut at the factory before shipment. Remove the decorative cover. Insert the hinges into the slots one by one and secure them with screws. Before inserting the hinges, ensure that the door opening direction has been confirmed. Prevent incorrect assembly. Set the door upright to an opening angle of 90 degrees. Gently insert it into the hinge mortars in the door frame. Use shims to prop up and steady the door. Secure the hinges one by one using screws. Once installed, you must first pull out the hinge's retaining clip, closing the door. Door gap adjustment. Check whether the size of the door gap is appropriate and consistent. Use a no for hex wrench to turn the screws on the hinge for adjustment. Specific steps. To adjust the vertical position of the door leaf, loosen all screws on the side hinges attached to the door frame. The door can move up and down. Adjust to the proper position, then tighten the screws. Door leaf left, right adjustment. Rotate the screw on the side hinge of the door leaf clockwise. The gap between the left and right door leaves can be increased. Rotating counterclockwise reduces the gap between the door leaf and the left-right keys. Closing speed adjustment. Door opening and closing test speed. If you find it too slow or too fast, a flathead screwdriver can be used to adjust the valve on the hydraulic hinge. Clockwise is slower, counterclockwise is faster. Each rotation covers an arc of 1/5 of a full circle, until the door closing speed is adjusted to the appropriate level. The closing speed is approximately 3 to 5 seconds. Finally, attach the decorative hinge covers.